everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. This is Kirsten Ely's Cooster channel, and today I'll be filming a new car tour. So here we go. Without further ado, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I would like to get 30 or more likes on this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and tell me what you guys would like to see next on the next video. Thank you. This is my new 2018 Subaru Crosstrek, and the color is Sunshine Orange. And these right here are the aftermarket tires, and that up there is the aftermarket roof rack with LED lights. Whoever owned it put it on there, and eventually, yes, I will get them taken off, but for now I'll be keeping them. And then we move towards the front of my car. And this is what the front of my car looks like. And that is the LED bar light on the bottom. And then again, yes, that is the aftermarket roof rack with LED lights. Like I said, eventually I will be getting them taken off, but for now, I'll be keeping them on there. And again, this is what the side of my car looks like. And we move towards the back. This is what the back looks like. This is the trunk of my car. And yes, underneath that is a spare tire, which is not the aftermarket tires. It is a donut. And this is what the back of my car looks like. And right there is a tow hook that somebody put on the front of it. And there is a tow hook on the back of it, which whoever needs help getting out of the snow, I can help them get out of the snow if they're stuck. Then we move towards the second row of my car, and I love the high performance cloth with the orange stitching. As you can all tell, my favorite color is orange. And sorry for the stuff in the back of my seat back. I carry a lot of stuff, as you guys can tell. Then we move towards the front of my car, where I love to drive. I really love it. I really appreciate the car. It will last me 10 years, or maybe more. And I love this area because I have a touchscreen GPS. It also has, in that area right there, it lights up red at night, which I love, and it's the speed speedometer. And that little square right there tells the gas, how much gas you have, and it also tells you how many miles you have on your car. But I love that. I love the red at night. It just lights up so well. And then the little dash area tells the temperature outside, how many miles you have to go, and what time it is, which I love. Then that is the GPS area, and usually when I have my phone plugged in, that little area where I'm pointing to is my GPS, instead of having my GPS on the window. Then you move down, and that is my air conditioning, my on and off switch, and then the cold or heat, and then my automatic stick shift, which I love. And then that little button right there that says X mode helps when you're going downhill, either when you want to go down slow. It helps control the speed so you don't go down fast. And then yes, even when Subaru has cloth seats, they still put in heated seats, which I appreciate because I love heated seats. Even with cloth seats, it helps immensely when it's cold. That button right there is for the LED roof rack lights, and the button on the bottom is the controls LED light bar. Then I have a little heated mirror on both sides, so when it's cold out, my mirrors can defrost easily. which I did not have in my other car. And then that little button right there controls both mirrors. And then I have a lock power button for the back windows. And then this is what it looks like from the front. And then this is what it looks like in the back from the front of the car. Thank you guys very much for watching. And give me a thumbs up. And please comment down below and let me know how I did. And let me know what else you guys want to see. Thank you guys. Comment down below. Give this video at least 30 or more likes. Thank you guys. Have a good